cause, no? So in this case, itong ating tatawagin is a blue and gold mako. No, we call blue. Oh, look. Okay? Very good. At yan naman, ang kasama ni Rani is our green wing mako. Na, madalas, marami pong nagtatanong sa amin, no? Tinatanong kami, sabi, hey, bakit may mga birds kayo dyan sa Malagos? No? Or why do you keep birds? Or maybe even they ask, why do you do the bird show? Well, I always like to introduce myself as a veterinarian. No, at si Rani naman is an animal technician. And together, we are committed to wildlife rescue, rehabilitation, and conservation breeding. Now, alam nyo, gusto kong maintindihan nyo ito, ha? Hindi po namin binili itong mga ibon na ito just so we can do this bird show. Huh? These birds were actually literally left at our doorstep.
Charge na naman
sila. This happened in 2003.
Grabe sa kapower ng
There was a
battery.
couple who said, Dr. Bo, we'd like to leave you our
Grabe man
makos.
ikawagas yung battery.
So I said, those birds are expensive. Are you sure you're just going to leave it to us? Sabi niya. Eh sabi ko, bakit naman? So, sabi nila, well, we live in a small apartment.
Iyan ang pwede ipadulo sa mo kay basa na yung biraw.
And our neighbors are now complaining. So we really have to give them up. But we just don't want to leave them to anybody because we want to be assured that they will be taken care of. So
Ayos itong ilang entrance na.
setting birds, birds who have been shot, birds who have been malnourished, birds who have been psychologically depressed, and we rehabilitate them. Okay? And the key word to our rehabilitation activity
Iba na sila yung feelings.
is called enrichment.
Mark, broken po na sila ya.
So every day, we enrich the lives of the birds.
Wala man.
No?
Katulang tao nga na heartbroken.
Kayo,
Ikisakit
napunta
sa-
na maraming lugar.
Itong
Mga lugar na
connected
meron
kang
mga hayop.
corneto o
But
gano'n.
there,
Ay,
all
wala.
the birds locked up
Ako shark
in
broken, wala
cages.
pa yun. Ito siya.
Ay, bothered lang dahil siya itong
We keep them
ni
at
ano,
special place
na ano na
where we
MIA.
occasionally or twice a day take them out. So we take them out and we fly them here. We fly them here to enrich them, to exercise them. Sa school ninyo, di ba? Meron din kayong enrichment na ginagawa sa mga bata. Tawag nyo nga PE, no? Or physical education. Pinaglalaro kayo to enrich your mind and your body. So dito sa Malagos, meron din kami PE, no? Ang mga birds namin,
basketball
pinaglalaro
sila.
namin sila. Nung Philippines, most popular sport, ang tawag natin, basketball. O ayan, si Ren ang magtuturo. Paano ba laruin
Ganito
ito?
yun.
Sige nga, Ren. Oh, isa you're going to do some turn around. Okay? Oh, shoot! Sabi na, easy 2 points, ha? Ay, sama. Sige nga. Okay, alright, sabi nga, pick up the ball. You have to go for the fast break and... Easy 2 points. Pero sana, intindihin natin, ha? Birds don't play basketball. No? We are just doing this to take their mind away from the boredom of being inside the cage. No? And so, once the birds are well enough, we can see them fly. Oh, we release them kasi magaling na sila. So baka makakakita kayo dito ng mga owl, crows, no, and other eagles that are flying freely here at Malagos because they are well enough to be released back. Okay? But there are birds that we cannot release, especially those birds who have a great biological importance. And for that, we have a special place where we do conservation breeding. No? Because still, we keep our fingers crossed that maybe we can breed those endangered species as well. And the third group of birds that we have here are birds who are probably blind, no? Birds who have lost a toe, lost a wing, okay? Birds that cannot be released anymore. So these are now the birds that we use for education activities such as this bird show. No? Dinagdagan namin ang aming script na tungkol sa aming mga experiences, dinagdagan ng music for musical scoring, at ayan, meron na tayong bird show. And we're happy to tell you that we've been doing this for over 10 years now. No? 10 years of trying to educate children and adults about the values of these such wonderful birds. So in a nutshell, that would be what I would call the history of the bird. So, let's continue. Let's continue, and this time we'd like to dedicate the next segment to the parents who are here. Okay? And maybe even grandparents who are here.
Grandparents
Kasi po, the next segment deals with the natural behavior we call courtship. No? So the courtship ritual. And for this, let's assume, kunyari lang, na itong si Blue, babae. No? Titahay, siya ang babae. At si Red naman, ang lalaki. Now, because of that, I'm going to ask Blue to enter the nest. Now, they will be doing something. So I'd like you all to observe. I want you to bird watch. And I will explain in a while. Nagregalo, sabi ni Lola, nagregalo. Oo nga, ayan, no? He's giving her pieces of twigs, which he hopes that they will build their nest into. But it seems like his regalo is unacceptable, no? Tinatapon sa labas. Pero desidido pa rin siya. Sige nga, tuloy pa rin, no? Oo, kahit na... napaste. So, red now is what we call a rejected bird. No? But though he is rejected, he is in love. Huh? So sabi niya, ano kaya imbis na dried twigs? I will offer fresh twigs. No, with fresh leaves. Kasi nga, kung ito daw yung gagawin nilang pugad, oh, the nest will be softer. And the eggs will not break. So let's see if the plan works out. Uy, very good. Oh, tinatanggap na. Oh, tinatanggap yung kanyang regalo. Pero ulit, baka tsamba. Baka tsamba. Very good. No, indeed, the plan is working. No, tinatanggap niya yung kanyang regalo. No, may tuwang-tuwa pa nga siya. Oh, he's flapping his wings. Oh. Wala kasi siya kamay. Oh, ano yung sabi to flap his wings? No? And say, oh, finally, my lady love has accepted my gift. But still, kahit na tinatanggap yung kanyang regalo, eh hindi po siya pinapatuloy. No?
Masakit pala na sila, no?
Bakit naman tinatanggap yung regalo ko, pero hindi ako pinapatuloy? So sabi niya, there's something wrong. No?
Tsaka ano, mouth balance, oh.
Baling
It's really just a very simple ladybird who said, if you really love me, just give me something simple. As long as it comes from the heart. So, alam niyo ano naisip niyang ibigay? Oh, he
It's a
thought
thought
of
that
giving
counts,
a
kumbaga,
simple flower.
Flower,
To
no?
show his love for the ladybird. At alam niyo ano naisip niyang gawin? O pumunta po siya sa Walling Flowers from Davao Flower Shop. No? Located in the Victoria Plaza Mall.
Advertisement na.
Plaza Mall.
Simple ra kayo, ha?
Beautiful, ha?
Simple.
Quality grown flowers.
Ha?
Ito po yung regalo niya.
Pasimple ra. Ay,
Anyway.
oh, nisulod naman. Nagtaba na.
Anyway, well, eventually they would live happily
ever after.
Oh boy. Okay. Layla wanting to do that, and what Layla is going to do is simply to change the color of the flag. Not from the normal green colored flag, Layla is going to change it into the red colored flag. Kasi nga, red denotes danger. Isn't it? Huh? Now, this information now will be seen from across the river. Across the river is another signal station, and its rookie there was also changing the color of the flag. Now, this signal station can be viewed from on top of the hill. So on top of the hill is another bird named Nigel. Yan, si Nigel is about 7 months here at Malagos. When he came here, wala siyang balahibo. Kasi nga, nailagay siya sa isang kulungan for about 14 years. No? So wala siyang magawa, pinagubulot niya yung kanyang balahibo. Pero ngayon, may balahibo na si Nigel. No? Although, hindi pa rin siya marunong lumipad, pero tumutulong na siya. So look, ladies and gentlemen, everywhere you go, sa kanilang barangay, puro na red flag. No? To warn the people that there's a disaster about to happen. It's really quite simple, isn't it? And mind you, the birds did not invent this. Kasi we have a law. No, Republic Act 10121 or the Philippine Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Act. And what this law says is for our leaders, no, to be prepared. Gone should be the days when our leaders will only react when there's a disaster already happening. Sabi ng batas, dapat tayo'y maghanda. Okay? Pero, kung hindi talaga pwede, no? Kung hindi talaga pwede, meron pa silang pwedeng gawin. Kasi nga, napakalayo ng disaster area, walang madadaanan, sira ang mga daan, walang kuryente, walang tubig. They still can warn because they have what we call messenger birds. But in this case, it's our pigeon. And this bird is going to fly from the farthest barangay to the municipio or to the city hall. Now, bringing with it a message. Well, for this segment, this is brought to us by Mean the News. Now, alam nyo, Mean the News is a news organization. They have come up with a monthly
Simple
magazine
lang mapag-connect ba?
Our Mindanao. This magazine is available in most bookstores. I hope you get a copy of that and learn about the beautiful things happening in Mindanao. Okay? But anyway, Rani is there and Rani will pick out now the bird. There you go. And we're going to now look and ask for a volunteer. Now we'd like to ask for a volunteer to read aloud the message that our bird has brought today. Who shall it be? Okay, very good. Sige. Now don't be afraid, just pick out the paper. Very good. And using the microphone, please stand and read aloud the message that our bird has brought today. Okay, so children, listen and listen to what the message our bird has brought today is.
Ma'am, the volcano is observed to be restless. Suggest to evacuate the school children soonest. Mangkado.
Thank you very much for reading the message of Mangkado. Mangkado said the volcano is getting to be restless. No? And we're going to watch the volcano. What is going to happen? Now, there's a little smoke coming out of the mouth of the volcano. Whoa!
Ano siguro?
Anak ko lagi. Ay, aso na. Ang mga pato,
Here they
Cute
go.
kayo.
Oh boy! Oh boy! Nah. Alam nyo, ladies and gentlemen,
Ay, ostrich.
Fisha!
baka sakaling mailagay kayo sa isang
Fisha!
sitwasyon, na may makita kayong mga insekto, a lot of animals that are going a certain direction. Naku, huwag na kayong mag-isip. Huwag na kayong mag-isip. Sundan nyo na lang sila. Kasi diyan, may masamang mangyayari. No? Kasi nga, sila po ang tawag natin na biological indicators. Okay? Sana naiintindihan nyo yung kwento ng ating mga little and big bird. Palakpakan po natin ang ating little and big bird indicators. Okay? There you go. Okay, next. Let's talk about a big word. I'm sure this is a big word for everyone. word is what you call climate change. Okay? Ang climate change, alam nyo, wala na po tayo magagawa yan. No? Kasi climate change is happening. Nangyayari na po siya. Nakakatawa dito, it's affecting people differently. No?
Oo.
Sa ibang lugar, walang ulan. Sobrang init. Dito naman, ang epekto ng climate change, sobrang ulan. No, di ba? Ulan sa umaga, ulan sa hapon, ulan sa gabi. Ngayon, kapag sobra-sobra ang ulan, ano pong nangyayari? Ha? Baha, mabaha. At kasama sa baha, ano pong nakikita natin sa ating kapaligiran? Kaya, yan ang maglata. Diba? Pero meron pa tayong pwedeng gawin. Baka isipin nyo, mga bata, wala naman akong pwedeng magawa dahil ako'y isang bata lamang. Wala ako'y isang estudyante lamang. Ano ba naman ang magagawa ko? Pero marami. And this has got something to do with our trash. You know, every day we turn out trash. No? Trash either from home, trash either from our school, or trash from the workplace. And again, it's going to be our teacher birds who are going to tell us what should we do.
Ay, nabalid.
Very good, very good. Ay, wonderful. O anong ginagawa ng mga bird? What are the birds doing? Ha? Picking up, and what exactly are they doing? Segregating, no? Sabi nila, yung hindi nabubulok na basura sa black na basurahan itapon. At yung naman daw nabubulok, dapat sa green na basurahan.